Hi friends, welcome back to the tutorials. Today's my topic is user profiles in Salesforce. Let us see. Before that, what is a profile? Profile means what? Is nothing but a profile is a collection of settings and permissions that define how user with a particular profile access records, how they see the data, and what they can do with the applications. For Salesforce CRM, group and professional editions, we can use the standard Salesforce application. Salesforce apps, CRM profiles, but you cannot create custom profiles. That means in apps we can able to use the predefined profiles which are so far created by Salesforce team, but it is not possible to create a new profiles in CRM. Even so, it's important to understand profiles and how they work together with organization-wide defaults and the role hierarchy. The most important profiles: system administration can configure, customize the application, and then next one is standard user can run reports and create and edit records. System administrator can configure and customize the application. Standard user can run reports and create and edit records. And third one, read only. These three are most important thing, where read only can run and export reports and view but not edit. Records when you add users as you prepare to go live. You will assign one of the responsible to each other. Each standard or custom profile belongs to exactly one user license type. Let us see. In Salesforce has two profile interface depending on which profile interface is enabled in an organization. You can even edit profiles in the enhanced profile user interface, or you can view and edit profiles in the original user interface. This is how. Let us see the navigation, how you can create the new profile. Let's see. This is how. We have only the three important profiles in the standards, that is system administration, standard user, read only. Okay, let us see where, and you have to remember here, you are not able to create a customable profile, but you can use standard profile according to our requirement. That means we can customize the standard profiles, but you cannot make new custom profiles. Let us see the login. Just see navigation, how it's going on. And first, I am in school management. I am just selecting setup. Here already it is there. So I am user, and then here profiles. I'll create a new profile. I'm creating a new profile. Let me just consider as a ILD underscore profile is my profile name as your choice, and select here the user license type is authenticated website. I'm just choosing. We have to search for standard user Salesforce. Standard user type is Salesforce. These are the existing profiles. With these, I'm just cloning. Cloning in the sense we are just cloning, copying the license type. I'm just selecting standard users and the user. I'm cloning now, and click save. Here it goes, and just click profiles for as our requirement. You can edit and just see where is ILD clone. So you can see here clone, and just set. Okay, sorry, just go back. It's not a problem. Okay, just click on that. Assigned connected apps is okay. Assign apps. I'm just assigning apps now. Here we can see here we have app settings and system settings. In app settings we have assigned apps, assign connected apps, object settings, app permission, Apex class access, Visual Force page, and external data source access and custom permissions. What I will do here, first I will assign my apps. This profiles is belongs to only, just click edit. In default, all this is visible because I'm just cloning standard user license type, that is the Salesforce administration. I'm just deselecting all. See this profile, ILD profile, school management. I'm just selecting only the school management. I'm just save. And then next, here we will have another thing. If it is a drop down list, you can here assign apps, and you can see object settings. Click on object settings, which objects have to be enabled. What I will do here, I will choose here accounts. What I will do here, edit, just click on edit. You have to consider everything. What I will do here, default on. What I will do, default off. Default on in the sense, the tab is off from the state where it is not existing. See here, you are finding here read, create, edit, delete, view all, and modify that. Even you can delete. I'm just, what I will do here, for ILD profile, I'm just assigning only the accounts layout, where I turn as a default off. That means default off in the sense, here we have three tabs. Then default off, default on in the sense the tab exists in the tab menu. Default off means it is not present in the tab menu, but it exists when you go to a customizable. And default off, that is, and tab hidden means the tab and object exists, but the particular profile user cannot able to see the tab. That means you won't able to access the data from it. This tab. This is how we select accounts, tabs, and that means read, create, edit, delete, view all, modify all, and field permission. These are the permissions we will discuss you later. This is how we can create. Once you create it, you just assign to a particular user where you want to assign in user creation. This is how the profiles, how to create permission sets and each thing. So we will catch up in the next class about the permission sets. Then we will discuss about totally how we can manage a new project. Okay. Now what I will do here. Here we have to view profiles, user permission needs. Actually, user permission needs in two scenarios: to view profiles, to delete profiles, and edit properties. Search for an object personal settings, clone the profile, and you have to remember, you cannot delete a profile that is assigned to user if user is inactive. Consider, once you created this profile and assigned to one user, any user which is created so far, once you assign this profile, you are not able to, the Salesforce won't allow to delete the profile directly. You have to remove this profile from the user setting, then only you have able to delete the profiles. First remember, just remember, see here. You can't delete a file that's assigned to a user even if the user is inactive. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.